Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 7 and it's the part 1 of this session. In this session, you will do an exercise by yourself. Read the following words aloud, and the letters that you have already learned have been written in connected form. The standard written forms are given in parentheses. So try to pronounce them in your free time, lonely, and try pronouncing them. And I'll give you the pronunciation in the next part of this session. So you need to pronounce it by yourself. Try to pronounce all these words by yourself, and then compare your pronunciations with the proper pronunciation, which will be in the next uh, video. Okay, so first try to pronounce by yourself. Okay, thank you.